In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collapse headings in Google Docs. If you've ever worked with long documents, you understand how challenging it can be to navigate a sea of text. One effective way to manage this is by using collapsible headings, which not only keeps your document tidy, but also makes it much easier to find and focus on specific sections. Now let's dive into the process. The first step is creating a heading within your Google Doc. This is the part of your text that you want to be able to expand and collapse. To do this, simply highlight the text that you want to make a heading. Once highlighted, move your cursor to the toolbar at the top of your Google Docs window and find the Styles drop-down menu, which is usually labeled as Normal Text. Click on it, and from the drop-down options, choose the appropriate heading size for your text, whether it's heading 1, heading 2, or another level, depending on how you've structured your document. After you've set your heading, the next step is to ensure you're working in Pages mode. This is crucial for making the headings collapsible. To check this, go to the menu at the top of your screen and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Page Setup. In the Page Setup dialog box that appears, you'll see several tabs, and you need to focus on the one labeled Pages. Click on this tab, and once there, confirm that the Pages option is selected. This may seem like an extra step, but it's important for ensuring that your headings will collapse and expand correctly. Once you've done that, click OK to apply the changes. With Pages mode set up, your headings are now ready to be collapsible. How can you test this out? Simply click on the heading text that you want to collapse. You should notice a small triangle symbol appearing to the left of your heading. Clicking this triangle will collapse the heading, neatly tucking away the text under it. When you need to view that section again, just click the triangle once more and the text will expand. This makes navigating through longer documents a breeze, as you can focus on just the sections you're interested in while hiding the rest. And there you have it, your very own collapsible headings in Google Docs. Wasn't that simple? I hope this walkthrough helps you organize your documents more effectively. If you found this tutorial useful, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech tips and tutorials. Your support helps us continue bringing you great content. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Until then, take care and happy documenting.